A massive traffic disruption hit the Kamalpur-Ambassa main road today after two freight trucks got stuck in deep mud and potholes on the dilapidated stretch of NH-208 between Erarpar and Manikbhandar Bazar.
Vehicle movement came to a complete standstill from early morning. Traffic office goers, schools and college students and commuters in long traffic jams on both sides of the highway. Reporter Biplov from Dalai, Chini, Khorang.